8 minus 8 equals 0, and then, inside the parentheses. 7 minus 7 equals 0, in the end, 0 times 0 equals 0. But this answer is not correct, because we did not follow one of the most important rules in mathematics, called the order of operations. The order of operations is commonly known by the acronym, PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, I stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, in every mathematical expression, we first solve the parentheses, then the exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally, addition and subtraction. Keep in mind that multiplication and division have equal priority. Therefore, in any expression that contains both multiplication and division, we move from left to right and perform whichever operation appears first. Then we perform the remaining operation. This same rule also applies to addition and subtraction. With that explained, let's solve the problem from the beginning of the video. But before we do, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. 8 minus 8 times 7 minus 7. In this expression, there is one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parentheses. Inside the parentheses, there is a subtraction, the multiplication is written here. In mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means that the number is multiplied by whatever is inside the parentheses. However, for simplicity, the multiplication sign is usually not written. According to PEMDAS, in this expression, we must first calculate the parentheses. 7 minus 7 equals 0, and the expression becomes 8 minus 8, multiplied by 0. Now, in this expression, there is one subtraction and one multiplication. According to PEMDAS, multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction, so we perform the multiplication first, and then we do the subtraction. 8 multiplied by 0 equals 0, and finally, 8 minus 0 equals 8, which is our correct final answer. Thank you for watching this video.